Cool trains in Montreal. It looks like I've got the CN grain cars, the brand new ones, the NSC cars, coming through Dorval really fast on a Sunday evening, February 14th, 2021, at around 5:45 p.m. I didn't check. Ooh, the old grain cars too. Oh yeah! Excellent! So I got 2 trains, 2 for 1. It's really amazing. You got the 2 trains racing each other. Kind of wish I was on a bridge or something. Maybe next time. Yeah, they're still both going. So it looks like that other train is finished. Oh no, they're still going, both of them. And this is why when you see 2 tracks, you see that the trains can go, oh look at that, neck and neck almost. They can go in both directions and they can both go in the same direction. So you must be careful when you are at a railroad crossing, because just because one train is going one direction doesn't mean the other one is going the other direction. They can go in the same direction, as you see. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.